This is the latest ad scan for Android. No matter which app I open, an ad keeps playing. Let's fix this now. Pull down the notification bar and go to the settings from there. Two apps in the settings. Find the new scam app that's showing all these ads. If the problem is solved, that's it.